Finally, the last submenu, network settings. You'll come in here, and this is where you can see the Wi-Fi network that your camera is connected to. You can make a change here if you want to change to a different Wi-Fi network. You can also change from routing mode, which means it's working with your Wi-Fi or with your router, to AP mode. And AP mode is a mode that actually allows you to connect with your camera and watch live videos or pull up the existing videos that have been taken without Wi-Fi. Now, the limitation of AP mode is that this camera needs to be within 15 to 20 feet or so of your phone to be able to connect in this manner. You will not be able to go set your camera up in your cabin, for instance, that has no Wi-Fi, and then drive back to the city and still connect to your camera. The AP mode allows your camera and your phone to speak directly to one another, but they only work when they're in close proximity, which is around 15 to 20 feet apart.